Well, I'm back again. I'm going to do something quick for you guys. A cold start. I've got plenty of stuff sitting in here to do cold starts on, but I'm not going to start everything up at once just because. We'll do a cold start on the Case IH DX 55 Farmall tractor, 2005 year. It'll start. I guarantee you it will. Not too rough usually. It's a glow plug deal. Cycle the glow plugs once, and it'll crank in about 10 seconds. It's up and running. Pretty simple. Cycle them again just to be sure. When it's cold, it does that. It's also about due for another fuel filter changes why it pulses like that. It's good to start it up and run for a few seconds. I don't run it for very long. These new engines, you don't have to run forever, never. They'll warm up quick. That was just put in here. Them things, I know they'll all start. So yeah, that's a basic cold start on the DX55 case.